Alright, hi everyone, and welcome to making paper blow darts out of just paper, tape, and scissors. That's all you're going to need to make these. Alright, so the first step that we're going to take is to make a barrel. So to make a barrel, most people have a broom handle at their house. It just unscrews pretty easy. Now if my lovely assistant here could get me a piece of tape about yay long, that's good. And we are just going to attach that. Can I get a little bit more? Alright, and then it slides right off. And there you have it. You have one barrel. So now that we have assembled our barrel, we are going to make a bullet for it. I'm just going to take a piece of paper here, cut it a little bit. I don't need to use the whole thing. Just going to roll it up here into a point, like so. Alright, once you have a little cone like this, that's into a very fine point, you're going to stick it into the gun up until the point where you don't need to hold it to keep it its shape anymore. And you're just going to push that in all the way until you feel some resistance. And you are simply going to tape end of the bullet there. That's good. We're going to take it out. Now I'm going to tape all along the seam here. Just going to grab that there, like that, and tape it all along the seam. Press it down. Alright, and then I'm going to use this leftover bit here. And we are just going to fashion this into a nice sharp little tip. And use the rest of the tape to just clean this up. And basically you want to make the tip of this thing completely airtight so that the air isn't just blowing straight through. That's key here. And you want to get like a feel for how tight you want this to fit into the barrel. You don't want it to be too tight and you don't want it to be too loose. You want it to be able to fit in easily and fire easily. So right now we have loaded our bullet into the chamber, so to speak. And we are going to attempt to fire. I'm going to push it in a little bit more so it's not completely on the end, and I'm just going to blow like a blow dart. And it fires. So that we're in business. That's good. This is the first step of making your paper blow dart. Mark the width of the barrel with my pen here. Okay. There we go. So that's about how wide the barrel is, so that's where I'm going to fold it. So right there on that blue line there is where I'm going to make my fold all the way across. Flip it back, do the other side. There on this blue line, make a nice fold. And there you go. Now we're going to cut it to the correct size. There we go. And make these guys even. So there you have a basic magazine. But now we just have to attach it. And there you go, one magazine, and we left the back open. Alright, now we move on to the final phase, which is reinforcing the barrel. Which is essentially just taking tape and covering the thing. Okay, there we have it. One paper pistol. Let's grab our bullets. So our gun now holds 4 bullets. I put the long one in the chamber, and the 3 smaller ones fit nicely into the magazine I made. You can sort of adjust the angle on them to make them longer or smaller and still be the perfect size to use for your barrel. Alright, they're all now a little bit too thick because of the improvements we made for the gun, so you just have to cut them back a little bit more.
Hell yeah. There you go.
I think that'd be dangerous. Might be a little dangerous. Alright, once you sit tight, and from back over here, I'm going to try to shoot you. There we go. So it has an effective range of 2 or 3 feet. But you can see it looks really cool. Look at that. And it only took a few minutes to build. We are going to be showing you how to make a rifle, a much longer version of this, which can shoot farther and better than this little pistol. But it's nice if you're going to have a paper blow dart battle.
We're not endorsing Nerf products.
Yeah, no, we definitely do not endorse Nerf products. You got that right. But yeah, basically we are just going to make a rifle. But this is nice to have in a battle. Your video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.